Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Now we are again with a new video. It's about the Chamb Waterfall, Azad, Kashmir. This waterfall is located around 200 kilometers away from Islamabad in the Chinari Bala district of Azad, Jammu and Kashmir. The road is in good condition but only last 2 kilometers off-road and attractive for trekking lovers. The waterfall height is almost 70 to 80 feet. You can come up to Chinari on your own car also, but from Chinari it's recommended that you take the 4x4 for the destination. And it's usually open in March till September. So if you are a waterfall lover, then must visit here once in your life. And that is very beautiful place. You can see here almost you have to go down by this step. Here are